Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today is a full day of work. Today is Monday, March 9th. Right now it's currently 9 a.m. I just dropped the kids off at school, had some breakfast, and I want to see how efficient I could be if I'm completely focused on getting things done. So right now I have, 10 items to list. I have 5 in the draft already, so I have to find another 5 pieces of clothing. Take the photograph, list them. I gotta drop a YouTube video today, so I gotta do a thumbnail for that. And today's Monday, so I gotta ship about 15 items. Plus I have other works to do around the house. So we're gonna see how it goes. Lucky for me, my wife already took some photos, so I'm just gonna get some items out of her bag and we'll get going. Let me show you right here. That's her bag right here. She took photos of this bootleg Stanford jersey with the Oklahoma tag. This is actually not good. I'm gonna list this right here, Survivor shirt. That's 1. That's 2. I'll take the Dirty Ghetto Kids shirt. That's 3. There's a Barcelona shirt right here, that's 4. And I'll do this jacket right here, the Dale Earnhardt Sr. jacket. I'll just take some photos of that and we'll get started with the listing. I got my jacket all set up. Dale Earnhardt Sr. jacket completely set up. Now I have to take these photos without getting some of the floor in the photo. I mean, I could crop it out. So let's take these photos. Alright, so right now it's currently 11:40 and I got my 10 items up. I got my YouTube video done. That took a little while to do the thumbnail and the title and stuff like that. Those type of things I'm not that efficient on yet with the whole YouTube process, so that took a little time. So those 2 tasks are done. I don't think I'm gonna do shipping right now. I'll just wait till the wife comes home a little bit later to help me. I have 16 items going out, so she can help me with that faster. Next step is I think I'm gonna clean up a little bit. Let me show you real quick. This is the floor of my workspace. Some of these shoes are already listed, so I'm just gonna be putting those away. And these are the items that I listed, so I put these away. And I'll set out probably another 5 pairs of shoes to probably clean this evening and get ready for tomorrow. And I have a few more things to do around the house. So let's go. Well, I'm pretty much ahead right now. It's about, let's see, what's the time? 12:17. So we lost an hour. Spring forward. So I'm kind of ahead right now. I'm about to do some dishes, clean the house. Oh, look at this. Just mess in the sink. There's food everywhere. Left the milk out. So I got the kitchen to do. I got the kitchen and living room to clean up, but I'm ahead, so I'm feeling good. I could have been a little bit more efficient. My son didn't go to school today, so I had to deal with that. But besides that, I think we're doing pretty good, so let's keep going. So Currently done with the house. Kitchen's clean, living room's clean, dining room is clean. Took a little longer than expected. My son is home. I had to make lunch. I had to make him lunch. So right now we're currently 1:30. Like I said, still doing good time. Got a little bag of shoes here, like 3 shoes. So I'm gonna go upstairs and do shipping. Might as well do shipping since I'm early. 16 items going out. And I'll show you some of the things I sold. Let's go. 3:15. I was cruising. Hit a couple roadblocks. As you can see, hit a couple roadblocks. I had to find 18 items to go out. It took about an hour. Just to find 18 items. They're not even bagged, like they're not even ready to go. They're not ready to be shipped out. Look. Still gotta ship them out. Took an hour to find 18 items. And bruh, look at this. This room is on fire. Look. 81 degrees up in this bitch. It's hot. It's hot. And this system right here, this ain't working. I'll tell you guys straight up, this is not working. I'm gonna have to figure something out. Like my bin system, it works in theory, but all these bags of clothes that's not put away, when an item sells, most of the time, lately, it's about like 60 or 70%, it's gonna be a newer item that I have listed. When an item sells, 60 to 70% of the time, for me anyway, it's the newer item within the past couple weeks, month. And those items, a lot of them are not put away. The lady has started a full-time job, was part-time, now it's full-time, so it's only me doing this process. That was a 2-team process, now it's just me. It was 2 people process, now it's just me. And that setup right there needs an overhaul. Now, to be quite honest, I don't think I'm gonna overhaul that system. I think I'm just gonna have to take a day and put everything away and just come up with a new system of putting things away after I'm done listing it. So yeah, I was doing good this morning, but it kind of ended kind of rough. I am tired finding these things. I'm just gonna print out the labels, and when she comes home, she could, bag them for me. It's usually what we do. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any suggestions for this inventory system, leave some comments below. Like, subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.